My lips can't go that far. Hey, hey. Oh my gosh. So, hi guys. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I worked this morning. I actually didn't go to work. Whoa, that's even though. I didn't go to work at Target. I went to work at my other job. And yeah, so that's what happened. That's what's going on.
Yeah, man.
Hey.
What?
He's so mean to me. He doesn't want my kisses. You don't want my sweet kisses.
Yes, I do.
And you don't.
I'm trolling you. What? You're dork.
You love me.
I love you and you, dork.
So we're absolutely doing nothing. Like, I literally came home, we ate, and we lay down and just woke up.
And I was going to get out when I got off the stream. I was going to go get my phone fixed until I checked my bank account and went, oops, never mind. That ain't going to happen.
Yeah. Well, we just gotta wait until Friday. We'll get your phone fixed. I get paid Friday. The life of life. I don't know where I'm going with this. I don't know where I'm going with this. You know what? Hello, puppy! Aw, be nice to the puppy.
I remember the camera's on.
You're so mean to him. Toby's like, come on! You're weird. Oh. Tobers. Oh, he's following Daddy. Are you following Dad? What are you doing? Toby, what are you doing? Toby? What are you doing, Bobby? What do you think Woody thinks about when he comes out here?
I have no idea. He doesn't give a shit. He's just like, I gotta go. He has to pee. He has to drop a juice. That's all he thinks about. Anyway,
Got to drop the juice.
Love you.
Don't shoot. I'm attacking you with your chest. You're leaving me. How dare you? You're so mean.
I love you.
So mean.
I know.
They're very well. Come here. One more kiss. One more kiss. Come here, Todd.
How's your dog? He's a knucklehead.
Love you.
Love you too, baby.
Chubby, what did you do? What is this? What is this? Silly doggy. Tricks are for kids. Not puppies. You're a puppy. There's a difference. And you're peeing on the fence. Woohoo. Hi. Hi. Dude, when I just did that, my eyes just go... I'm like, hello, big eyes. Nice nose itching.
I know it just...
Here, let me help you.
Okay.
There you go. Nose itch too. Yeah, you liked me. You can take that back. Alright. So we're gonna say peace out.
Deuces? Bye.
Michael's not here, so they get to say deuces. Woohoo! So we will talk to you guys later. Thank you for joining in our daily vlog. Sorry, I and Michael didn't vlog a lot. Slept mostly yesterday and rejuvenated my body, and Michael was at work, so story of our lives, right? I like how, like, the camera's only focusing on me and Jordan, and Sammy's over there like, I'm alone! Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Later! Go ahead and click that blue box, or
Yesterday's.
It's like that green box tour.
Tomorrow's.
We did not plan that, by the way. I thought you guys were going to do it at the same time and totally Shrek the entire thing.
We got this.
You got this. Alright guys, we love you and thank you for all that you do as far as like supporting I Am Micheal, and hopefully you get to see these two wonderful chicks. I was about to say chickadees, but then I was like, that's awkward. That's really awkward. Anyhow, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you! Later! Have a good.